I'm going to share 3 powerful tips to help you deal with difficult interactions with participants, students, or employees. My first advice is on how to deal with people who are skeptical and don't feel like joining an activity. All right, team, let's break the ice, bond, and do some fun team-building games.
A team building game? That sounds so cringy.
Oh man, I really don't want to hug anybody.
This is such a waste of time.
Can't we just go for a beer?
Come on, guys, be a bit more positive. It will be fun.
Really?
Yeah, no, it won't be.
When people are skeptical, the more you pick the positive side, the more they will lean towards the negative. To prevent this from happening, make sure to acknowledge their inner skeptic before it takes over the room. You can do this by literally calling out hypothetical cynical comments yourself. All right, team, you might think, team building? Can't we just go for a drink instead of doing awkward trust falls? But don't worry, there are no awkward hugs or trust falls involved.
Sure.
Sounds good.
All right, let's go for it.
Why not?
When you say it before they can think it, it will make them more adaptable to the activity, and it will also add some humor. Tip 2. How to deal with someone who keeps on talking. All right, let's start the team-building puzzle game.
Before we start the game, I want to share that I think each puzzle piece represents not only our individual perspectives, but the interconnectedness of our societal roles. I think of this not as mere edge-finding, but as an exploration of boundaries. In my opinion, this exercise isn't just about completing a puzzle, if you think about it, which reminds me of 3 things Nietzsche once wrote. The first thing he said was,
"This is getting too long. If you can please wrap it up, that would be great."
well, I was just trying to be enthusiastic.
Never tell someone to stop talking. It might make them feel awkward. Instead, interrupt them by giving them a short compliment and ask someone else from the group a question.
Which reminds me of 3 things Nietzsche once wrote. The first thing he said was...
Thank you, Chris. That's a great point. Let's hear what others think, too. Alice, how do you think this puzzle game can benefit the team?
I think having fun solving a puzzle together will be good for team spirit.
All right, let's start the puzzle game. Asking someone else a question will shift the focus naturally to then continue the activity. Tip 3. What to do when someone is quiet and only gives short responses. Brian, how do you think the process went?
I thought that it went fine.
Okay, that was a bit short. Can you talk longer about it?
I don't know.
Never ask someone to talk more or longer because it will make them feel as if they did something wrong. Instead, be curious about why they said something and ask them a question about it.
I thought that it went fine.
And what was fine about it? I think the way we listen to each other and the mutual respect. When you ask someone a question directly about what they said, it will be easier for them to speak. If you enjoyed these 3 tips, hit the subscribe button below this video for more communication tips and team-building games, and make sure to get the book 101 Team Building Exercises on Amazon to improve cooperation and communication.